Good morning, dear students. Today we will study mental maths. In mental maths, we will learn about fractions, chapter 8. Fractions which have same denominators are called like fractions. Fractions which have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Fractions which have 1 as numerator are called unit fractions. For addition or subtraction, we convert the fractions into like fractions and then find their sum or differences. Not only this, for all comparison, for greater, smaller, equal to, or for ascending, descending, we convert the unlike fractions into like fractions and then only we proceed for the comparison. Now let us start chapter. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with greater, smaller, or equal to sign. We have to compare the given fractions. First is 7 by 13, 8 by 11. So, we'll write 7 by 13, 8 by 11. For comparison, what we do, we convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. For that, we have to take out the LCM of denominators. So, LCM of 13 and 11 because both are prime numbers and no other number other than themselves can bring them to the lowest term. So, we'll multiply them. 13 into 11, that comes to 143. So 143 is the LCM. Now we'll divide 143 by 13. So now divide 143 by 13. One time. So this is 11 times. 11 sevens are 77. Now we'll divide 143 by 11. One time. Then 3 times. So 13. 13 eights are 8 threes are 24, carry 2, 8 ones are 8 plus 2, 10. Now this can be written as 77 by 143, 104 by 143. Now both the fractions are like fractions. Now we will compare. 77 is smaller than 104. So this 8 by 11 is greater. So we'll put a greater sign. Now let us do question number 2. Circle the greatest and cross out the smallest fraction in each row. Again, we have to compare. For comparison, we'll convert all these fractions into like fractions. For that, we have to take out the LCM of the denominators. Now, let us start. The denominators are 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So, we'll write here 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. We'll take out LCM. We'll take the least number, that is 2, 5 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 15 as it is, 2 15s are 30. Now we'll take 3, 5 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Now we'll take 5, 5 1s are 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 1s are. So now LCM would be 2 into 3 into 5. Means 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30. So LCM is 30. Now divide 30 by 5. 6 times 6 3s are 18. We are doing question number 1. Divide 6 by 6, 30 by 6, then 5. 5 5s are 25. Now divide 30 by 10. 3 times 3 7s are 21. Divide 30 by 15 2 times, 2 11s are 22. Divide 30 by 30 1 time, 17. So which is the least? 17 is the least, means 17 by 30 is the smallest. So what we'll do? What we have to do? We have to cross out the smallest. So cross out the smallest and circle the greatest. So which is greatest? 18, 20, 25 is greatest, means second one 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 is greatest and 17 by 30 is the smallest. Like this, we'll proceed. Now, arrange the following in ascending and descending order. The same pattern we are going to follow. We'll find out the LCM of the denominators 25, 50, 75 and 15 and then make them like fractions and then we'll compare which is greater and which is smaller and accordingly we'll arrange them in ascending and descending orders. Question number 4. Convert the fractions into their lowest term. 56 by 77. Now what we have to do is 56 by 77. So we'll see in which numbers table 56 and 77 comes? 77 comes in 7 tables, 7 11s are, and 7 8s are 56. So it will go by 7. 7, it will multiply by 7 here also, here also. So we can convert like this. 7 8s are 56, 7 11s are 77. So it is now 8 by 11. So this is the lowest possible term of 56 by 77. Find the sum of the given fraction. Now we have to add. Again, we have to convert them into like fractions. So 2 by 4 plus 4 by 6. So what we'll do? We'll take the LCM of 4 and 6. Take 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Now 2 3 cannot go. So all will be multiplied. 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4. 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. Now divide 12 by 4. How many times? 3 times. 3 2s are 6. Plus divide 12 by 6 2 times. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 6 14 by 12. Now we can reduce this by 2. 2 6s are 2 7s are. So it would be 7 by 6, which is further divided and converted into mixed fraction 1 whole 1 by 6. Likewise, we'll do the rest addition of fractions given. Subtract the given fraction. Now we have to subtract. So again, we'll convert them into like. See here, already like fractions are given. 8, 8. So both are like fraction. 5 by 8, 1 by 8. Like fractions. So directly we'll subtract. So will be 5 minus 1 means 4 by 8. It will be written like this. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Both are like fractions. So no need of finding out the LCM. Straight away we'll subtract. 5 minus 1, 4 by 8. And this can be converted into 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 1 by 2. See here it is 2 by 6, 2 by 12. So these are unlike fractions. So we'll convert them into like fractions. 2 by 6 minus 2 by 12. So we'll take the LCM of 6 and 12. 6, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are. So now 3 times, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. LCM is 12. 12 divided by 6, 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Minus 12 divided by 12, 1 time. 1 2s are 2. 4 minus 2, 2 by 12. So we can cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So it would be 1 by 6. Multiply. Straight away what we'll do? We'll write 5 by 12 into 3 by 7. We'll multiply and then we can bring them to the lowest term, or here only we can solve them and bring to the lowest term and then we can multiply. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 5 1s are 5, 7 4s are 28. So this is the multiplication of 5 by 12 into 3 by 7. Now come to next. Divide the given fractions. So we have to divide. Now here what happens? The division symbol changes into multiplication and the number, the dividend is, a divisor is reciprocated. So it will be like this. 2 by 15 divided by 4 by 5. So it will become 2 by 15. This sign changes to multiplication sign. Division sign changes to multiplication sign. And this is reciprocated. 4 by 5 becomes 5 by 4. Now we'll simplify. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it is now 1 by 3 2s are 6. So this is the division of given fraction. Now come to word problem. Reena drinks 3 by 4 liters of milk and Meena drinks 2 by 3 liters of milk in a day. Who drinks more milk and how much more? So first we have to do comparison. For comparison what we'll do? We'll convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. 3 by 4, 2 by 3. So we'll take LCM of 4 and 3. So both cannot LCM. So what we do? Multiply 4 into 3, 12. So now 12 is the LCM. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 2s are 8. So which is greater? 9 by 12 is greater. So we can write this like this also. 9 by 12 and 8 by 12. Which is greater? 9 is greater. So means 3 by 4 is greater. 3/4 liter of milk was drank by Reena. So Reena drank more milk. Reena drank more milk. Reena drinks more milk. Now the second part of the question is how much? So we'll subtract. We'll subtract. So this will be, now you subtract. It will be, this is the equation, 9/12 minus 8/12. It would be 1/12. So this is the answer. This much more Reena is drinking than Meena. Rest you will do. Now come to next. Convert each of the following into improper fraction. Now this is mixed fraction is given. 2 whole 2/3 and we have to convert this into improper fraction. Now what we do? We multiply this denominator with the whole number and then we add the numerator. Means 2 into 3 plus 2. Means 6 plus 2, that is 8/3 remains. So 8/3. Now convert each of the following into mixed number. Though this is improper fraction given and we have to convert into mixed number. Now divide 13/4. How many times? 3 times. 12, 1. So this 3 quotient becomes the whole number. So 3 whole, this remainder becomes the numerator and denominator remains the same. So now you can check also. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13/4. Like this we'll convert improper fraction into proper, into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper. Now word problem. The sum of number 12/24. If one of them is 3/8, find the other. So we have to find the missing number. Sum is given, one number is given and we have to find the missing number. So the equation would be missing number is equal to x. Okay. So it's like this. X plus 3/8 equals to 12/24. Now we have to find out the x. So x is equal to 12/24 minus this comes here, so it becomes minus like this. Now 24 and 8 both are unlike, so we'll convert them in like by taking out the LCM. 24 and 8. So take out 2 12s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, then 2 3s are, 2 1s are. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So LCM is 24. Now 24 divided by 24, 1 12s are 12 minus 24, 8 divided by 24 divided by 8, it is 3 times, 3 3s are 9. So you subtract 9 from 12. How much? 3/24. So 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So this is 1/8. So this is the number which was missing. Means 1/8 plus 3/8 is 12/24. How can? See, check. 3 plus 1, both are like fractions. So 3 plus 1, 4/8. 4/8 is 1/2. 12/24 is 1/2. So both are similar. So this is the answer. This is all about chapter 8 fractions for today's. Thank you, children.